we have two linear equations here, but you see both the linear equations have alphabets in them. So we will do the problem in the same method like we did with numerals. Okay, I am using substitution method in this problem because that is easier. We have a square by x minus b square by y equals 0. I am taking this term alone to this side, so I get this one. This you have to substitute in the second equation. So how I am substituting is, see, a square by x, I have written it separately, into b, this b, plus the remaining I have not disturbed. Then this a square by x can be replaced by b square by y. So instead of a square by x, I have written b square by y, and this is this b. Okay. The remaining I have written as it is. Now multiply inside the bracket, or I have taken b square by y common from these two terms. So when I take common, we get b square by y into what will be remaining, b plus a. This side also you have the same. So these two will get cancelled, you will get 1. So cross multiplying we will get y is equal to b square. So one part of the answer is over. The remaining should be easy. This y equal to b square we can substitute in equation 1. So what will you get? A square by x minus b square by, instead of y we will substitute b square. So a square by x minus b square by b square equal to 0. This will get cancelled, you will get 1. So a square by x equals 1, a square equals x. I have used the same method for the next problem also, which also has alphabets. So see, we are taking the smaller equation first. This is the smaller one. This has right side terms now. This side we have only 0. So I am writing bx is equal to ay goes to that side. It becomes minus ay. From this I am writing x equal to. So I get up to this. Now what should I do? I am going to substitute this in the first equation. See, if you are writing the first step from second equation, don't go and substitute in the second equation again. You will get 0 only. So you should substitute in the other equation. So instead of this x, we have to write minus ay by b plus by equal to this one. A into a square, there is a minus sign. Remaining I have written as it is only. Then there is a y common. No, we are taking the y common. So we get a square by b plus b equal to, right side I have written as it is. Then for the left side we have y minus a square plus b square, cross multiplying, plus b square by b equals a square minus b square. So this has a minus sign. No, I am writing it second, that's all, writing it behind the b square. Then take these to the other side. We will get a square minus b square. This b will go to the numerator, this will come to the denominator. These two are the same, they will get cancelled, but the sign is different. No, so we should put a minus sign. So we get y is equal to minus b. Then we should substitute y is equal to minus b in any one of these places. You can substitute in 1 or 2 or 3. I thought 2 is the easier one, so I have substituted it there. Bx plus ay equal to 0. Bx plus a into y, y is minus b equals 0. So bx minus ab equals 0. Minus ab comes to this side, it becomes plus ab. X is equal to ab by b. b gets cancelled, we get x is equal to a. So our answer is x equal to a, y is equal to b. The last one, here also we have alphabets only, but for this problem you see right hand side is also complicated. You don't have equal to 0 anywhere. So I have chosen elimination method. See the coefficients of x. Here coefficient of x is 1 by a. Here coefficient of x is 1 by a square. So if I multiply by another a in the denominator, these two will become same. So the multiplying in the denominator means into 1 by a. So x by a square plus y by b into 1 by a means you will get y by ab, the entire thing divided by a. Multiplying by 1 by a means dividing by a only. So you get this. This is our new equation 3. What are we doing here? We are subtracting 2 and 3. So these two will get cancelled. You will have minus sign. Y by b square is here. Minus y by ab equal to 2. This minus sign, a plus b by a. So y is common. Then I have written 1 by b square minus 1 by ab equal to, here I have taken a LCM, 2a minus b by a. Then y into, I have taken LCM here. LCM will be ab square. So ab square is the LCM. A is not here. So I have written b square. No, so we need another extra b. So I have written this equal to, right side we have this. A minus b is getting cancelled. A also will get cancelled. We get y is equal to b square. So we have obtained the value of y. Now what should we do? We will substitute y equal to b square in any one of the equations. I have told you all to choose the smaller of the two equations. This is looking smaller. Also here b square will get cancelled if you substitute. So go for this one. So substitute y is equal to b square, you get x square by a square plus we had y by b square, x by a square plus y by b square. No, y is b square. So b square by b square is 1. So 1 goes to the other side, we will get 2 minus 1 is 1. Cross multiplying again, we get x is equal to a square. So we have x equal to a square, y is equal to b square. You can easily check these answers. We had x is equal to a square, y is equal to b square. Substitute and see, you will get a square by a square is 1 plus b square by b square is 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Similarly, here also you substitute a square by a plus b square by b, a plus b. Right side is a plus b. This is how you have to verify your answer.